Welcome back to Lemon Cone, your go-to channel for delicious recipes. Today we have a mouth-watering treat for you, creamy white pasta. It's quick, easy and so creamy. Let's get started. Start by taking chicken strips, add a pinch of salt, black pepper powder, paprika powder, garlic powder, dried oregano leaves, a dash of vinegar and a touch of soy sauce. Mix them well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. In a pan, pour some oil and add the marinated chicken. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until it's tender. We are adding mushrooms, but feel free to add any vegetables of your choice. But before dive into the star of the dish, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Let's back to the recipe. Now let's whip up the creamy white sauce. In a pan, melt some butter and saute crushed garlic until it becomes aromatic. Add all-purpose flour and stir it continuously for 2 minutes. Now pour in some milk and mix it well. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper powder, crushed red chili, mix well, dried oregano leaves. Add cheddar cheese and cook until it melts. Cook it until it thickens to your desired consistency. Then turn off the flame and add cream and mix. Time to assemble. Take an oven-resistant bowl and layer boiled pasta with mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Add the cooked chicken with mushrooms. Pour that creamy white sauce all over it. Top it off with some mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese melts and becomes golden brown. And there you have it, our scrumptious creamy white pasta. It's as simple as it's delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Your feedback is valuable to us, so leave your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. It's tasting time. Delicious! You have to try it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, keep cooking, keep smiling.